This is going to be an easy Geode Coaster resin tutorial in our Geode Agate Coaster Mold A. I mixed up 3.17 ounces of resin, Craftor resin, and I colored it black and added some glitter. That's all you need to do to pour the base of this as I'm pouring it there in the little river areas. I'm also doing a giveaway, our first giveaway, since I only made one of these coasters. I figured I would give it away to an active subscriber of our channel who lives in the US. Details will come along in the video as we're progressing, since I have to tell you what I'm doing as I'm doing it. Once the back is cured, you just demold it. And in the past, I've put crystals in there, and now I'm just going to add some colorful mica powders. I chose purple, pink, a bubblegum pink, and then a purple rose color. The only problem I had was my two darker pinks were a little too close in color. One of them had a little bit of blue in it. But in order to do this and not have the colors sit next to each other, I actually made a little chart where I took a picture of the openings and wrote the colors and where I wanted to pour them. So while I'm pouring, I'll tell you about our little giveaway. So to be entered in the giveaway to win this little coaster, the finished coaster, first make sure you've been subscribed to our channel. Next, you'll need to like this video and leave a comment on this video about what you would like to see me pour next in these Geode Agate coaster molds. Whoever has the best idea will win the giveaway. I've already created at least 3 different pours with these Geode coaster molds, and I'll put links to those videos down in the description area, so make sure you don't offer duplicate ideas. I'll choose a winner for the Geode coaster shown in this video next Monday, which is 7/21/25. The winner will have to supply a U.S. address in order for us to be able to ship the coaster to them. There'll be no shipping charges, shipping is free, and the coaster will be free. Our next giveaway is going to be for a complete UV resin set from Craftor. So make sure you are subscribed, liking, and commenting on all our videos, which may help your chance of winning our future giveaways. And as you see, I'm just pouring the colors in there, changing them up, putting them in the little spaces. I also wanted to let everyone know we've been having fun using Craftor resin. They're actually having a 50% off sale on their 16-ounce resin this week on Amazon. So the final price is only $7.99 for 16 ounces. I'll provide a link below in the description area for you to use if you want to check that out. Their sale, or that 50% off sale, is good through 7/24/25. We get nothing from this. I'm just letting you guys know because Craftor has been so good to us by sending us some materials to check out. So here I've finished all the colors, and you just wait for the resin to dry. I'm just kind of topping them off there. And because there's that little river area, the black area that we poured first, it's perfect. You don't have to top coat these coasters because you can set any kind of drink or beverage on those and they won't fall or wobble or anything. And then I'm just being a little anal retentive there, adding just a tiny bit more. And if you end up getting any resin on the black areas, you can just clean it up with some rubbing alcohol on a Q-tip. And as you see there, that's my brighter pink color. And if you look at the other pink color that I'm touching there, it has a little bit of blue in it. So I'm just mixing it around, trying to blend those colors up and adding some more of the baby pink color. I will put links below and you'll see a picture showing up here in a little bit, or a couple pictures. I've embedded crystals in here. I've used color shift powder in here. So when you give your ideas of what I should pour next, don't duplicate what I've already done, because that will not win you the prize. So again, make sure you listen to the rules. It's open to US-based subscribers only. You do have to be subscribed to our channel, and you do have to be active, meaning making comments on our videos. If you haven't already made a comment, you can start making one on here and just continue in the future. There, I'm still playing around with the resin. I thought I needed more time to talk, so I made the video longer. There is a lot of time wasted when you pour resin. Monkeying around, making sure it looks good. And there I am just cleaning up a little bit of the area where resin had spilled. And there's nothing to demold. Once the resin is dried, there's your finished piece. The edges can be any color, the insets can be any color. The only limit is your imagination. That's why we try to create different molds than anyone else has. So this is the one that's up for giveaway. Choosing a winner next Monday, 7/21/25. And coming up here are the 3 other pours. Video 21 shows how I embedded Angel Aura quartz crystals. Video 22 used color shift pigment. And video 42 had rose quartz crystals. Good luck!